My name is Krista, and today I will construct about one M20 millimeters bolts and M20 millimeters nuts in PTC CREO Parametric in this program, and I will explain how can I construct these bolts and nuts. First of all, I'd like to show you the bolts. I have here taken the measurements or data. First, I have a pitch M 20 millimeters bolts with pitch 1 millimeters, and the pitch comes from here, from the table. I taking the fine thread, and here I have a M20. The pitch is 1 millimeters, and the bore for the nut is the bore for the nut is the 19 millimeters. I must write in here bore. Bore is 19 millimeters. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Now, let us see here. I have a M20 millimeters, this one, and this length here will be 100 millimeters, and the height, this height will be 30 millimeters, okay, and SW will be 30 millimeters. So I don't know why I don't have a right. Is 30 millimeters. Okay, now everything is complete. Okay, now you know where these measurements come from. Okay, so now a little bit trigonometry here. So you know how people doing that. I will show you here. First, I have this formula here, and I take this measurement from here is the 5 h divided by 8 is this one, plus this one, h divided by 4 is this formula here, okay? So now h is square root from 3 divided by 2 multiplied by the pitch. How we come to that? So we say that sinus from 60 degree, from this degree, is the is the square root of 3 divided by 2. It is 1. And cosine from 60 degree is the 1 divided by 2. And the tangent from 60 is the sine divided by cosine. So sine is this one and cosine is this one. So tangent for 60 is the square root from 3. And square root from 3 is the, if you take the Pythagoras sats, you take a square root from 1 up to 2 plus 2 up to 2 up high to 2. So you have a 4, I'm sorry, wrong, is the hypotenusis minus the cathete. So we have a 2 up to 2 is the 4, minus 1 is the square root from 3. So tangent from 60, tangent from 60 is the square root from 3 divided by 1 is the square root from 3. And this is the result. Now you understand that. Okay. This length here is the P divided by 4. And P divided by 4 is the 1 divided by 4 is the 0.25 millimeters. Now we have every data, so we can start to construct these bolts. Okay. Here we have, I will close this one. No. Here it is the PTC CREO. I have started this one. Okay. and I will use this. I need this one. Okay, just a few moments, please. Take a new part and write here M20 bolts and three. Okay, something is wrong. I'm just call them part, and I'm going. Okay, and now I write in millimeters, nanoseconds by part, and I click OK. So now everything is OK. The first one, I will do extrude. I click extrude. I'd like to take this to top. Okay, so now I will take first the center line. And center line is the here. PTC CREO loves center line. So use anyway center line. Okay, and double click to the middle point, middle motion. We take a circle here. Okay, and we do a measurement here. This measurement is 20 millimeters. Okay, we go out. Okay, and the length here, we see that length is the 100 millimeters. So we write in just 100, enter, and now everything is finished. Good. Now, we take S32, we take the top plane, okay? And then now we take the palette here, we take a polygons, we click here 60, we must double click, I'm sorry. And we take here and close, and that's just double click one time. Okay, so don't forget to click sketch view here to do the right. So now we take this measurement here, this SW. SW, we say that this is 30 millimeters from the M20. So I take this one here and this one, and I double click, okay. I will delete this measurement here. So, and this measurement is the 30 millimeters. And 30 millimeters, okay. So now I'm going out, but what is this measurement? I will show you now what is this. I'm sorry, I must this is spanner. Okay, I can write in English. Is like this. This distance, this must be the 30 millimeters for the spanel. Okay. Now, I must take the coincidence here and to the center line. Nothing happened. Again. Coincidence. This. Okay. Now it's centered. Yes, it is. I'm going out now. I will change the direction. And this measurement here is the 30 millimeters for M20. I will write 13, enter, and everything is okay. Good. Now I will construct this removing cutting of materials, this one here, like this. and this here. How can I do that? Yes, I'm doing that with revolve. I take revolve, it's very easy. So I take this plane. Okay. So now I take a line here. So I have a measurement. So now this distance here is SW divided by 2. SW is nothing, and 13 is the 30 divided by 2. So you know now I must do the coincidence with this line and this line here. Okay. And after that I will do this. This will be 30 degree, and rest I don't carry. Just I'm going out. Okay. And so now I must take the, so you see that this is doing now the solid, but I'd like to have a just cutting materials, and now it's finished. Everything is okay. Okay. Now we have a dispulse. Now we will take this chamfer here. This chamfer is the same like our pitch, and our pitch is the 1 millimeters. So we take chamfer here, just, and we write in here 1 millimeters, enter, okay, and this is finished. Good. Now is the time to do the sweep. We take the helical sweep, okay, and after that we take sketch here one more time. We take the front plane because this is very popular, the front plane. And after that we take first center line. Remember, center line you must take anyway. So, and after that I will take a line here. I will take line from here to here. Okay. And now I'd like to do a coincidence with this here. And I will take the dimension here. I will take 75. Okay, I will do coincidence this one with this one. Okay. So now I'm going out. Okay. So now I will take I will sketch the cutting materials. Okay. The cutting materials must come here somewhere. Just a moment now. I'd like to find this line now. Yes, it's here somewhere. Okay. Here it is very tricky. I will do like this. So now I will take a construction model, and I will take a 3-tangent circle. I will take this one, and this one. Okay, so now we'll do coincidence with this and this. Very well. Now I will take dimension here. This and this is the 60 degree. And another measurement here is the 60° too. Okay, but they don't allow me because this is the 60. So where does come from this 60°? Okay, I will explain now. You see here, this angle is the 90°. This is 30°. And this degree from here to here is the 60°. Like I did here. This measurement is the 60°. And this is the 60°. And this is 60°. Okay, now I will construct to this one here. This is the P divided by 4. And P divided by 4 is this measurement. So how can I do that? I take construct model line, construct line. I will do this one here. Okay, I will change the dimension here, and dimension is the 0, 25, enter, millimeters. Okay, now I would like to take this dimension here to here, and this dimension is the 0.758. 0.758. It's okay. Very good. Now, I will do this one here. This one. How can I do it? This is the, I will take arc with center and ends. So, okay. So, first I am taking this one. No, sorry, I'm taking again. Arc, I will do first. Hit and hold down. So, escape. They are not really so. That'll be the arc. So here to here, and the double click one time, and now everything is okay. You see that we have a tangent here, but now I must delete this segment here and this segment too, and I will take this line here because I must have this measurement here. I will show you now. Oof. So I will take this measurement from here to here, and this must be is correct, now 76. Okay, now we're going out. Everything is okay. We don't have an open. This is the tangent here. This is the tangent here. Everything works properly. This is the 60°. This is the 62. We can control that. If it's right, this is a 60, but we can delete because it's ever constrained. And so now we go out. Okay, you see that this will be solid. We must write the pitch will be 1 millimeters, and we must change from solid to cutting materials. And then now everything is okay. You see now that we done the our bolts. So now it's finished. So I will so now I apply the materials. I don't need this measurement now. Everything is finished now for these bolts. Okay. I will apply materials. This is the metal. Which metal I can use? I can use maybe this one here, and hold down the control option. So this license is the student license, is not okay. So now we can take this center here, and we should take shading with reflection. So this looks like this. I can take another sand. So this is now how it's looked in the applied materials. I will take another sand, maybe much better. So if you like, you can play how long time you like. This is up to you. But this is how this function in PTC CREO. I hope you like this video. Let me do something if I can do here. Model. I will take this one here. Okay, I can find now. It's okay. If you like this video, so you can subscribe and give me the comments. And the next video I will do the notes. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. See you again. Bye bye.